Hello and welcome, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, we've got 13 points in total, so let's go to the part 2 of the funny facts about electricity from the oliverheatcool.com. Okay, I found it here. So point number 6. In the 1880s there was a war of currents between Nikola Tesla and Thomas Edison. Tesla helped invent AC current and Edison helped invent DC current, and both wanted their current to be popularized. AC won the battle because it is safer and can be used over long distances. Number 7. Iceland is the country that uses the most electricity annually. Total consumption is about 23% more than the US. Point 8. Static electricity occurs when the electrons from one object jumps to another object. Point 9. The world's biggest light bulb is located in Edison, New Jersey. It's 14 feet tall, weighs 8 tons, and sits on the top of the Thomas Edison Memorial Tower. Number 10. The average US home uses 11,000 kilowatts of electricity every year. Number 11. The first central power plant in the US was Pearl Station in Manhattan. It was built in 1882 and served 85 customers. Number 12. Electricity travels in closed loops called circuits. It must have a complete path before the electrons can move. If a circuit is open, electrons can't flow. Last one. 13. The electricity is present in our bodies. Our nerve cells use it to pass signals to our muscles. That's it. All 13 done. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. If possible, give us a like. See you in the next one. Bye bye.